Right now, the enterprise tech industry is operating on a flawed assumption: the belief that you can automate complex standard operating procedures simply by feeding unstructured text to a frontier model. To rigorously test this, researchers subjected state-of-the-art LLMs to a cyber-physical benchmark. They used a simulated, fully automated glass foaming plant to see if these models could reliably control industrial environments. The empirical reality, detailed in recent archive evaluations, exposes a clear limitation. While LLMs excel at localized, sequential logic, they critically fail at resolving non-local dependencies and formal causal modeling. Engineering-grade reliability cannot be achieved through zero-shot monolithic prompting. To reach the precision required for enterprise automation, you have to decouple reasoning from execution using fault-tolerant, multi-agent state machines. Trusting a zero-shot LLM with an industrial workflow confuses probabilistic pattern matching with deterministic control flow. Look at the quantitative data from these evaluations. The models show high performance in sequential understanding. They know what step logically follows another in a text document. But when physical reality and system architecture enter the equation, that logic breaks down. This chart reconstructs the evaluation data. State-of-the-art models score exceptionally well on sequential tasks, but drop to 0.38 in multivariable dependencies and 0.50 in physical modeling. Unmodeled physical elements cause hallucinated parameters, violating closed-world assumptions and triggering cascading errors. The evaluation data suggests that for multivariable physical or digital states, these models require external scaffolding to remain within engineering tolerances. Building that scaffolding starts before execution begins. Frameworks like Syntakt are used to translate ambiguous, human-written procedural text into rigid, deterministic logic. The Clarifier module evaluates unstructured procedures, resolving vague logic through database queries or human-in-the-loop routing. Next, the planner maps these clarified steps to isolated API endpoints. Finally, the implementer translates this plan into strict program design language, locking the workflow into a rigid executing human procedures into strict PDL, strips the LLM of its freedom to guess data types. The hallucination risk is capped before the system ever goes live. With the pre-processing lockdown and deterministic boundaries in place, the system transitions into dynamic execution using the agent star routing architecture. The global action repository acts as an immutable anchor, mapping permitted actions to APIs. The isolated state decision LLM reads the workflow, routing the next logical move. The action execution LLM strikes the API, feeding results directly back into the continuously updating execution memory. By dividing responsibilities across a static action repository, a dedicated state router, and an execution agent, this architecture successfully forces non-deterministic models to behave as a deterministic state machine. We can observe this architecture's empirical resilience by tracing a real-world API failure using an e-commerce listing blocked case study. Standard operation maps to a directed acyclic graph. The system traces from the start, asking for a listing ID and checking its status. But if the user provides incorrect information, the API returns an invalid ID error, generating a strict failure feedback loop. This failure observation is appended directly to the execution memory. Rather than crashing or hallucinating a fix, the state decision LLM reads the updated memory log and recalculates its trajectory. It logically branches backward up the graph, reprompting the user and triggering a dynamic correction phase that fully recovers the workflow. This dynamic backward branching capability proves that the system is operating as an autonomous, self-correcting state machine rather than a fragile, linear automation script. Large language models are highly capable reasoning engines, but their performance rapidly degrades when forced to simultaneously manage logic, syntax, and state tracking over extended horizons. Frameworks like Agent-S and Syntax neutralize this degradation by restricting the LLM's output space strictly to predefined graph traversals. The industry is focused on endlessly scaling generalized models, but the actual engineering necessity for process automation is building superior constraints and robust execution boundaries. Reliable enterprise automation depends on the architectural boundaries we build around the model.